Welcome back to Wedding Workshop TV. I'm your DIY host, Missy, and I'm all about saving you time and money for your big day. So today, I'm going to show you a peek into my Dollar Tree shopping list so you can make some awesome candle holders. So the dollar store can be a treasure chest of craft supplies, but beware, not all supplies are created equal. So today I'm going to take you through how to transform some simple glassware from the dollar store that you can transform into creative candle holders to set the mood for your wedding tablescape. Here are the tools and materials for the projects I'm going to walk you through. You're going to need a glue gun, some gemstones, different variety of glassware from a small glass bowl to elevated tealight holders, taper candlestick holder, glass cylinder vases, and other various votive holders and shapes. Then you'll also want to have some gold paint, possibly some E6000 glue, that comes in handy for a variety of projects, masking tape, scissors, a paintbrush, and also some different varieties of spray paint. This first project I'm going to walk you through is super simple. It's just taking some glassware that you found, and depending on the look that you're going for, is adding some spray paint finishes. I love the look of taper candles right now, and I'm obsessed with milk glass. And you can't really find milk glass at the dollar store, and it's sometimes hard to find when you're thrifting or antiquing. So this is a great alternative. You buy simple glassware and buy a high gloss white primer and paint those, and they instantly get the look of milk glass. If you're not into the milk glass look, you could try a matte black. Make sure you pick up, again, a paint and primer combo, and they look great mixed with emeralds and golds, and really class up the look of your tablescape. Emeralds and deep blues can add a pop of color and look great mixed with brass, antique metals, and rustic woods. So let me walk you through how simple this project can be. You just need a glass bowl, these gemstones, and a hot glue gun. You want to make sure that your glass container is very clean. You could take some alcohol and rub that off to make sure that it's super clean and dry. And then you're going to apply each with some hot glue. There are other glues that you could use, but hot glue is fast and it works well with the glass, especially if you're only using these for your wedding day. You want to make sure you start at the base, and you're just going to start adding a little bit of glue to it and work your way from the bottom. And make sure you have it on a flat surface so that your container still sits flush to the surface. And you're going to work your way around the entire bottom layer and work your way up in layers. It's super easy, and it gives a great look and some pop of color for your table. This next one, I purchased a 3-pack of these glass tea light holders, and I am just going to add a subtle touch of gold. I always think gold's a nice little splash of color to your tablescape. So grab your gold paint and add this to a low dish. This is great because you can either take a paintbrush and create your own design on these, or you can dip them straight in. You could either add it to the bottom or the top. I'm gonna actually do them on the top. Just a slight gold touch around the rim. This last one, I'm gonna take a floating candle. I always think water and the floating candles add some great reflection and ambiance to your table. And it's super simple. You wanna make sure that you grab one of these taller glass cylinder vases. They have readily available at the dollar store. They even have floating candles at the dollar store, so you can get it all there. And then maybe find a twig or a branch from your yard, or some grass. I actually like the look of the grass, so I'm gonna go with that today. And you can, again, find this at the dollar store, and disassemble this grass. So I've already kind of taken a couple of these pieces here, and you can either glue them to the base of this if you wanna hold them steady. I also like them to be a little closer to the rim, that way you don't have any fire hazards. And so for this, I usually just trim my grass with a simple pair of scissors. I don't want it uniform though, because I think that takes away from the organic look of this. So just cut those however you like, and then kind of eyeball that. Maybe, 3 to 5 of these sprigs of grass would be nice. And these look great mixed in with some fresh florals from your florist. Maybe Maybe some different fresh florals could even be mixed into the water as well. Now, again, like I said, you could use some E6000 glue. I'm not gonna do that today because it needs to set and dry first. But it's as simple as adding the grass, adding your water, and adding your candle right on top. And watch it reflect. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We'll be bringing you more wedding tips and tricks. And if you're in the St. Louis area, be sure to check out our website for upcoming workshops, or just come by and say hi. If you're interested in more DIY tips for your wedding, be sure to check out our last episode. Just click right here.